the members of APC from across the 9 and the 10 world debates Ogbono are issued. And of course, the celebrants and my sister, Ayababa, and the children, and all other gentlemen of the press, and all other protocol duly observed. I am indeed delighted to welcome you all to the Diamond Jubilee birthday celebration of my brother, my leader,